Oliver and his hockey guys that he just got in the mail. What do you have to say? No, say thanks, Uncle John.
Thanks, Uncle John. Let me see it.
Go. It's a video. Go play.
What?
We'll show Uncle John how cool it is. Comes with
What are they
a
doing,
hockey
guys?
rink
What are the guys doing?
and nets.
What?
They're in a huddle right now, the guys, right? They're talking.
You talk to them, Oliver.
Yeah.
Go talk to the guys. Tell them what to do.
Are they getting ready for hockey night in Canada?
Right. He's talking to you.
Oh, there's the ref and the puck. Okay, keep playing.
Film Oliver saying thank you.
I did.
Did he? Look straight at it.
And they're just talking.
What are they talking about?
They're talking about what way they're going.
Oh. And when are they going to decide?
They're saying they're going that round the boards and round that net.
Oh, cool.
And what's this like?
want a peanut butter sandwich?
No.
Want cheese and vegetables?
Cheese and vegetables, please. Sorry, food.
Okay, say bye, Uncle John. Thanks.
Bye,